started.
Well, my dear students, actually, this is my one of the lecture that is representing that as we are the engineering student, how we can learn, how we can understand the engineering that is mainly part on the device related, that may be basic electronics, maybe digital electronics, maybe digital signal processing, analog electronics, or whatever, any types of subject, circuit related subject, or any types of engineering subject. It will be in the chemical field, mechanical field. I am just considering one process, the steps by which we can able to understand any types of device or component or engineering matter. The factor is that I just write down this thing, that is AOTD. Now I think you just aware about, you have to know about this particular matter, what is the meaning of this AOTD. Any types of device, just I am considering that the resistance or diode. First of all, we have to know the analytical meaning of the resistance. This word resistance, how it is come? This resistance come from the resistor, that resist something, from there this is the resistance concept is coming. So this A for is very much interesting, that is the analytical meaning of any device or component. Okay. In case of diode, why diode is called diode? Because the two electrode is there. Okay, so for that reasons it is called the diode. Why transistor is called transistor? Because the transfer resistor, that is why it is called transistors. So this analytical meaning is very much vital for any types of study. I am just a system of study representing, in this lecture I am just representing how we can study any types of electronics devices. Now this O for the origin. Origin means from where it is coming. From where it is coming means the resistance concept is not directly imposed in the market. Resistance concept is coming from the wear. You show that if the increase the wear length, then the resistance is increasing. If the cross sections of the wear is increasing, then resistance is decreasing. So we can say that this resistance origins, we have to hit the origin. First of all, we hit the analytical meaning, and then we are just hit the origin. In the transistor there is a origin. This has some historical background, from where the transistor concept is coming, from where the diode concept is coming. That means the transistor is the transfer resistor. This concept is coming from PNP, NPN, so several types of preliminary effect and origins are there in the transistor. So we have to know about this concept, otherwise it is impossible to concentrate on these transistors. After that, this T is very vital. T is the theory. Generally, we are students, we are thinking about the start with from the theory. Just V equals to IR, that is the resistance. Not like that. We have to know about the analytical meaning, we have to know about the origin, and then we have come to these particular positions, that is the theory. That is the, in resistance case, you show that as you are quite mature, you know about the resistance, that is V equals to IR. This concept is coming from the Ohm's law and so on. So this that is the representing the theory. Transistor, several types of theoretical aspects are there in the transistors, in diode also. So this is the theoretical aspect, and then this is the D. This is very important, that is the diagram. In transistor, this is have some diagram. In resistance, it's have some diagram. Okay, so this is the D that is representing the diagram. And last one, as we are the engineering student, we know all about this, and last one is a very important for us, that is the AP, that is the applications. This AP is applications. Applications, I think you know about this terms, applications, how we can use this resistance, what is the requirement of the resistance, what is the requirement of the diode, how we can use it, how it is applied. This is actually the theoretical background and how we can apply this to our society, to our engineering process. So in this particular aspect, you show this is the AOTDAP. Introducing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, it is possible to know about any types of device, mainly about the engineering process, mainly concentrate of the electronics, and also computer science is also supporting this particular theory. This is one of the learning technology, one of the process of learning technology. In between that, it had to, and in the teaching technology, another thing is very important, that is the analogy. Analogy is another very important term. Suppose we want to represent the resistance, we can representing it as like a pipe, water pipe, if there is resist and all those things. I am just representing the transistor. We just go for lecture for the transistor. We just representing it as a tap call. Okay, tap call. That is the analogy part. Okay, diode, it has some analogy part. How we can compare with our daily life representations. So what I show, any types of components, any types of device related to the engineering and electronics mainly, and mechanical or others, biomedical, whatever it may be, that can be representing this A, O, T, D, A, P. A for analytical meaning, O for origin, T for theory, D for diagram, and AP for applications. Thank you very much.